Nearity Marketing contacted me a couple of weeks ago and asked me if I'd like to get a pair of hearing aids to try. Now, considering I've already had 4 pair and none of them have worked out for me, I do now have the HearPods Pro hearing aids, and so far they're very clear and they fit me very well. So I want to send a shout out to Nearity Marketing. Thank you for sending me these. I will be posting a video shortly, and I will be following up every week with how these are working out for me. But for now, just a shout out and a thank you. And you will find a link in the description to the product if you'd like to check them out. Take care. Hey there. Well, you're not going to believe this, but I've actually tried 4 pairs of hearing aids. The first 3 were just hearing amplifiers. The 4th one was actually a hearing aid, and it fit me perfectly. But after about 3 days, the left ear died on it. So while I was in Aruba, a company contacted me and said, "Hey, would you mind trying our hearing aids? We'll send them to you, and let us know what you think about them." So right up front, this is a set that a company sent me, probably because they saw my other videos, and said, "We're going to send this to you. We'd like you to do a video on it and let us know what you think of it." So this is hearing aid set number 5, and let's see what they look like. Let's see. Oh, this is the box. Okay, this is the box. From a company called Nearity, and they're called HearPods Pro. Can you see it? HearPods Pro from Nearity. It says it has 4 listening modes. It's multi-channel. It has howling suppression and millisecond frequency shift. Okay. So let's open it up and see what they sent us. Well, this is actually what it looks like. It looks like hearing aids in a case. Looks like a rechargeable case. And the color here is silvery. Silvery is what it says. Now what I'll do is I'll put these on the charger overnight before I use them. A set of instructions, a product manual, common faults and solutions, maintenance. And this is obviously the charging base. Yeah. Let's see. Push a button on it. It shows that there's some life in it. Oh, look at that. Actually, it slides back. That's pretty cool. Look at it. Want to open it? It slides back. So these obviously, they're already charged in here. So we're going to pull them out one at a time. And I'm just going to put them in and see what happens. I don't know how to turn them. I don't know if you have to turn them on or if they're automatic when you take them out. I don't know. There's probably more. I'm assuming there's more of the buds in here. Got a charging cable. And a bag of earbuds. Okay. Come on. All right. Take it down here. I'm just going to open these up here, sort them out. All right. And what we have here is we have large, medium, and small. Now I can already tell you that I'll probably need to put the small on, and I'm not sure what these are, but I want to see how they fit, because that's one of my main problems with hearing aids is the fit. Okay. Now I should put the small ones on, but for right now I'm just going to leave what's on here. Right, and they go on the back of the ear. Huh. It was telling me it was in noise reduction mode. Well, it's really clear. I can hear that very clearly. Try. Hello? So, actually these fit really well, and I can hear really good. I can hear really good. You know, typically when I first try hearing aids on, I'll give you a peek over here. Normally they don't fit in my ear, but these actually are fitting right in the center of my ear, and that's a good thing. But I can tell you I'll probably need to put the smaller bud in. I definitely will probably need to do that. But I'm just going to leave these in like this for tonight and try it for a few hours. There's the case. I showed you, right? Look how nice. This opens it up, and it's 3/4 of a charge. So I am going to go over and plug in the charging case, and let's just get it going. Oh. I don't know if you can see them really good or not, but I have a USB-C cord ready. Let's see if it'll plug in and charge. Yep, see? It's charging. So we're going to let that charge for a while, but I'm going to use these hearing aids. I'll give you a peek of the right one. That might not be in my ear right, because of the bud on it is kind of large. That's my left ear. But that's it. I will report back in a few days and let you know how they're going. Thanks for watching.